You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Havade, this is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority with an update on Typhoon Mawar recovery for June 2nd, 2023. As of 6 p.m. today, GWA returned one additional well to service, bringing us up to 54% of our wells being operational. Our production team is working with GPA crews to restore possibly up to 4 more wells overnight in the Jigo, Mangilao, and Derito areas. Additionally, progress was made in restoring service to higher elevations in Nimitz Hill, with work ongoing in other areas as well. Our water distribution team has been hard at work with tanker operations to refill flex tanks staged around the island and delivering water to healthcare and other critical facilities. Unfortunately, we have sustained damage to a couple of flex tanks from vandalism, and so we ask the community to help us prevent this type of harmful activity. We are making progress and hope to report on additional areas returning to service tomorrow. Thank you, and Sidzuos Masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.